Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will see how we can create and use databases in Bubble. As you guys know, Bubble is a no-code platform where you can develop fully functional apps without writing code, and it's a good tool for the startups. Okay, and if you are working on any custom project or you have some idea related to a product, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or email, or you can fill out this form. All the links are in the description. Okay, let's get started with the today's topic. Uh, so what are we gonna building to understand the concept of databases in Bubble? I have something here. So I have a folder named products, and I have some products in here: camera, a shirt, and a watch. So what I want to do is store these products into my database and then show them on my website page, just like an e-commerce website, right? With their name and prices, obviously. So let's do it in Bubble so that we can understand the quite a lot of concepts. Like I can tell you right now, we're gonna sing data, then we're gonna sing groups in the Bubble, and the grabbing data from the database. Okay, so first thing I will be doing is creating a table for my products so that Bubble knows, like, we have a thing called products in our project. So the data type will be products. I am naming it as. So uh, we have this now, but it don't have any field related to that or any column related to that, right? So this data type is similar to the table. If you are coming from the SQL background, and these fields are just like the columns, right? And where are the rows? Here you will find the rows for all products, but let's create some fields now. So first field will be name. I will name it as name, and it will be a text. The second will be image, and the type will be image. I will choose image. The third will be price, and I will just set the type as text, because I'm not gonna do any multiplication of math stuff with that for now. Okay, so we have now image, name, and price. And for the image, you are seeing this upload. That means for the default value, if you are gonna uh, like telling your Bubble to show something if the image is not available. But let's not do that. I am in the rows, and here I can just use that fields and database as a CRM. So I will now manually uh, upload my data here. The name will be shirt, and price, let's say $100, and image will be a shirt. Loading your image, and you got your first product here, right? Now let's see how we can show this product in the data, in the design tab, or your UI, right? So I will just uh, write text here. You will see it's a lot of options like this, but what you have to search for is, do a search for type is the product, and I will say item, first item name, right? And let's see what we are getting in the value. Okay, a shirt, but we have stored as a name. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we are getting it. Okay, so we are grabbing the data from the database, which we have just created. But I don't want to use it like that. I want all my products in the line already aligned in some sort of order, and I want images and uh, prices also, right? So let's delete that and just fill out some more products. Name will be a camera, price will be 100, and the image will be, and same goes for the next one. Name will be just remaining watch, price will be 100, image. By the way, where they are uploading these images, it's in the database, and the original source is on the Amazon S3. Okay, let's see where we can find the right type of design element. What I want to use is the repeating group. That means a group of group which can hold your data type, and the data type I'm using is products, right? I will use the type of content as product, and the source will be do a search for products in my database. I can sort it with different options, but I'm not gonna do that. And you can see the alignment is a bit weird, but what I want to use is rows to be 1, the columns to be 3, so that it comes side by side as any e-commerce website. Okay, now what we can do is Uh, I think yes, we can just fill out the text now for the data. So text will be inside dynamic data, current cells, products, name. First thing I want to show is the name. The second thing I want to show is the price. And the third thing I want to show the image. So current cells, image. But the dimension is a bit weird. I can just modify it to what are my requirements. So let's give it 120 width. It's too small. Let's give it 180. That's kind of good, but what we can do is, yeah, I think it's good now. The height, although, can be a bit smaller. Let's say 200. Yes, I think it's. Now let's see what we are getting in our app. I hope it will work fine. Yes, assured the price is 100. I can just add some currency here, but you can see you can do all sort of formatting, but you have your products ready. You can just give it a button here, buy now, and it will work, right? Okay, I think that's it for this video. If you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or email, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.